So guys, today we will show you how to assemble new classic black machine. This machine is Taima butterfly. Taima butterfly made in India, and we will show you how to install all the parts. Most of the parts are coming separate, which is not installed, not ready to use this machine. This is accessories box. There is some extra tools like bobbin, screwdriver. So machine coming like this way. This is wheel, and there is stop motion, bobbin winder. This is bobbin winder, and this is stop motion big screw, and also washer complete. We will show you how to assemble all these parts and how to make this machine ready step by step. First thing, we have to install this bobbin winder. We will unscrew these screws, and after that we will install same place the bobbin winder. This is bobbin winder. We have to put some oil in this bobbin winder and make sure it's working fine. Need to check rotation and working. After that we can install, after oiling we can install that same place from where we open that screws. So there is 2 screws in this bobbin winder. Let me install, and okay, make sure these 2 screws are fully tight, not that much, but at least these are full tight. Okay, and after installation of these 2 screws, we have to check the bobbin winder is working fine. Then we will install the wheel. Okay, so this is working good. Now we will install the wheel like this, and then we will put some, there is one big washer, stop motion washer, and then the big screw. There is one small screw which is stopping the stop motion, so we have to open that, then we have to install that big screw. Okay, same like this way. Make sure this big screw need to be tight, full tight. Okay, after full tight this big screw, we have to install the small screw. Once that big screw installation done, then we have to put oil all over the machine wherever is moving parts. And then this is spool holder. We have to install this spool holder. After spool holder installation done, there is 2 spool holder, one is bottom, one is on the top, and then we will install the motor. These accessories including with the motor like extra carbon and screw belt, foot controller and motor. This is coming in motor box. Before installing the belt, we have to clean that belt area, maybe some oil or some dust over there, so belt no need to be slip. Then we will install the belt, and then after installing the belt, we will, after installing the belt, we will insert the motor over there and make it tight with the belt. We will show you. So motor will come in this place with the belt. Belt we have to make sure that belt is fully properly installed with the motor and machine. Okay, then we can install. There is one screw only which is holding the motor. In the beginning we can tighten this screw by hand with the screwdriver, and after that we can use a spanner, I think number 12. This belt must be tight, not that much tight, but there is some rotation which we have to make sure that belt will move with the machine. And then we can tighten this motor screw from here. After this we can, our machine is almost ready. Need oiling in this machine, and then we can put in box. Extra accessories box and tools we can put in the toolbox, and this toolbox will go in their place. So guys, this is our machine and this is ready now. We can try with the foot controller motor is working or not, so we will make sure. We will plug in the electricity and then insert that plug with the motor, and then we will try. So it's working fine, working very well. Speed we can adjust as per foot controller press. Like if we press half, it will work very normal and normal rotation of the motor. If we press full, it will give like full rotation, full speed. Okay, so guys, this motor also working and machine is completely ready. It's ready to go now. Okay, thanks for watching our video. In next videos we will show you how to install the thread, how to make oiling in this machine. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a good day.